With busy days of balancing family, work, social events and errands, it can be a little bit hard to find time or even the energy for healthy eating. And that is where TRME M-Bars can come in handy. They act as a convenient way to enjoy a complete meal replacement, and it is easy to include them in your daily life in order to keep your weight under control. The chocolate-flavored M-Bars can help you support a healthy lifestyle. And as a meal replacement, one TRME M-Bar offers your body at least 30% of the daily nutrient reference value for vitamins and minerals. And the bars also contain carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. They actually contain 14 grams of protein per bar, and protein can contribute to growth and maintenance of muscle mass, which is important. The bars are vegan, they're high in fiber, they are low in sugar. And if you want to maintain weight, for instance after weight loss, then you replace one meal a day with a bar and follow an energy-restricted diet. If you're sitting out there thinking, I want to lose weight, that's fine. Then you just replace 2 of your daily meals with a bar and again, follow an energy-restricted diet. Just remember to drink a large glass of water with each bar.